Hello everyone, I'm just going to go through 3 examples of dividing a decimal number by an integer. In my first example, I'm going to take the number 6.4, I'm going to use the divisor of 4, and I'm going to divide them. Now, you'll see it's got a decimal point. I'm just going to put the decimal point for my answer straight above it here, okay? And for the rest of it, I'm going to go through as I typically would for a division problem. So, how many 4s go into 6? Well, I can get 4 into 6 once with a remainder of 2. And I'm going to regroup that over here next to the 4 digit. Now I think how many 4s go to 24? Well, 24 divided by 4 is 6. And that will be my answer to this problem. 6.4 divided by 4 equals 1.6. Second problem I'm going to go through, I'm going to divide a different number. I'm going to take 17.7 as my dividend, and my divisor will be 3. So I'm going to share that 3 times. Okay, how many 3s? Remember, decimal points. Pop that in. How many 3s go into 1? Well, you can't get 3 into 1, so I'm going to regroup the 1 over here. 3s into 17. That's 5 with the remainder of 2, which gets regrouped over here. How many 3s go into 27? Well, that's 9. So the answer to 17.7 divided by 3 is 5.9. So 2 in a row now. Get your decimal points lined up for your answer and continue as you typically would for a short division problem. This one's going to get slightly trickier here. I'm going to take the number 6.5. Oh, that's not a very tricky number, is it? Quiet you. We're going to get to that point. And I'm going to divide 6.5 by 4. Now, at this point, you might be thinking, yes, odd divided by even. Okay, I see where this is going. Decimal point, first of all. Then I need to think, how many 4s go into 6? 1 with a remainder of 2, which is regrouped over here. Now, how many 4s go into 25? 6. Now, this is where people get stuck. When you were younger in year 5, you might have put the letter R after the 6 here for your remainder. You might have put a fraction after it as well. In year 6, you'll be taught to put a decimal point. However, we've already got a decimal point. So I just need to make a little mental note for myself here. Thought cloud. How many 4s go to 25? 6 with a remainder of 1. And that 1 is actually 1/4, as it's 1 out of 4, which is the same as 0.25. Now, just rubbed that out by accident there, didn't I? Same as 0.25. I've already got a decimal point. So what I'm going to do is lift these digits, 2 and 5, and I'm going to put them here. 1.625. So 6.5 divided by 4 is 1.625. And if you want to ever check a problem like that, you can do the inverse. So the inverse of this will be 1.625 times by 4, and it should equal 6.5. So I'm just going to use the inverse to check, and the answer I'm expecting is 6.5. So 4 times 5 is 20, which is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. Add that 2, which should be 0. 4 times 6 is 24. Add that on 25. Make sure the decimal point goes in correctly. 4 times 1 is 4. Add the 2 is 6. Yep, there we go. It does look like 6.500, but it's the exact same value as 6.5. So decimal points line up vertically, follow the rest through like you would for a short division. Decimal points line up vertically, follow through like a short division. Decimal points line up vertically, follow through like a short division, but think carefully about the remainder. Learn your fraction links. Think what it means. Those digits will be important. This is a bit more advanced, but if you can do the first example and the second examples, you will be fine with dividing decimal numbers by integers. Thanks for watching.